Are you looking for a home in Mesa? Hi, my name is Jason Dawson, your local listing pro. Today we're in the Villages of Eastridge, right off of Chrisman and Baseline. We've got a beautiful single-story home, 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, great room layout, been impeccably maintained by the owners. You got custom two-tone paint, custom lighting, stainless steel appliances, and so much more. Let's go ahead and take a look inside. If you'd like more information about this home, for pricing, or to schedule a private tour, give us a call at the number below or reach us online at locallistingpro.com.